Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating a dedicated workbook named Notes Yimmed so entries stay organized. Next, add headers like date, topic, tags, summary, and details to structure your thoughts. This gives each note a predictable place. Once done, format columns to auto-size and enable wrap text so long notes remain readable. Freeze the top row to keep headers visible as you scroll. These steps let you capture context quickly and search later without losing track of where key information lives. Now focus on efficient capture. Use one row per note and put a timestamp in the date cell so you can sort chronologically. Make tags a drop-down or a comma-separated list to filter and group related ideas. This speeds retrieval. Put a short summary that you can scan quickly, then expand in details for full context or action items. Make sure to leverage keyboard shortcuts, Tab and Enter, to move fast. Doing this balances speed with enough structure to find and act on notes later. Finish by organizing and exporting. Sort and filter by date, topic, or tags to review recent items or follow up on a project. Apply conditional formatting to highlight priorities or action items so they stand out at a glance. This guides what you act on first. Once satisfied, export selected rows to PDF for archives or CSV for importing into other tools. If something breaks, like lost formulas, check autosave, undo history, and a recent backup immediately to restore your work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.